Hello once again, kakabsat nga na sa Sayat. So today, nandito tayo sa Wan Chai and we're gonna experience the tallest glass lift dito sa Hong Kong. And it's located at the Hopewell Center dito lang sa Wan Chai. So ayan siya. So as you can see, nag-nga to yards. So it's located at the 56th floors. So FYI pala guys, in 1980, it was considered as the tallest skyscraper in Hong Kong. Makikita nyo naman, no? Sobrang taas nito. But I have a fear of height, pero na-overcome ko siya dito kasi hindi ko tinitingnan actually. Pag lumilingon ka, makikita mo parang ang kukunin pababa, no? Nakakatakot talaga. But for the experience, safe naman siya actually kasi secured naman yung elevator. Pwede kang paulit-ulit, akyat baba, pwede. So it's located at Wan Chai. Just take the MTR and pwede kang mag-exit at exit A3 in Wan Chai MTR station. Or pwede ka naman mag-tram and bumaba ka ng KFC. And then dun na yun, papunta na dun sa Hopewell. So, see you soon there guys!